Good morning to all of you students. So today in this video we are going to discuss the nature. We are going to discuss the nature of the compounds containing the OH group. Okay, what we are going to discuss? Nature of the compound containing nature of compound containing OH group. Okay, means we are going to discuss about the nature of the compound containing OH group. Now you see all of you before doing this one beta, then what to do there in this case. ठीक है, अब ध्यान से देखना. We have to draw the three structures as I have drawn already. Three structures are there. One is this is for the alcohol, and this is for the phenol, and this is for the ether. All of you if you will see very carefully. First of all, I am going to discuss the alcohol with you people. Okay, in the structure of alcohol, what is going to happening over there? You see must CH3, then it is OH. Here OH is attached to the carbon. Okay, this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Which carbon it is? sp3 hybridized, and here is lone pair of electron. And just remember, between C and H here like this. Okay, then here bond angle is 108.9 degree. What is the bond angle? 108.9 degree is the bond angle. And just remember, and CO bond length is this. CO bond length, this one is 142 picometer, and this one is 96 picometer. These all the things are what I told you. It's given in this structure. I hope you are getting my point, all of you. Okay, now you see please. Same way, now you see the fit structure of phenol beta. Please see the structure of phenol. In the phenol, benzene ring is there. What is it? Benzene ring. And benzene ring is attached with the OH group. And here OH is attached with the double bonded carbon. So that is why it is sp2 hybridized. And here bond angle is 109 degree. Here bond angle is 109 degree. Okay. And bond length is 136 picometer. Bond length is 136 picometer between carbon and the oxygen. Or are you getting my point? Between carbon and oxygen, bond length is 136 picometer. Now, when we are discussing these two structures, then first question arises to our mind. Two questions are there mainly. First is of bond angle. What is it? Difference is of bond angle. Then difference is of bond length. Is that clear to you, beta? So what will happen there? You will see in the methanol. Bond angle is 108.9 degree. It is slightly less than 109 degree, which is a tetrahedral angle. You know why? But this is due to the larger repulsion between the lone pairs of the oxygen. You see, there is around the carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Around the oxygen, pair of electron is here. This is a lone pair of electron. These lone pair of electron have a repulsion between them, and due to the larger repulsion, what will happen there? Bond angle is slightly decreases. Is that clear to you to all? Oh, is that clear? Okay. Then after that, beta. Now please come to this one. That here the bond angle is 109 degree, is almost equal to the tetrahedral angle. Okay, and carbon is sp2 hybridized. Okay, now Now one thing you can observe there, one thing you can be uh, you can be observed there. Here one large difference is there, might be you observe the bond length. What difference is there? Bond length. In this case, bond length is 142 picometer, but in this case, bond length is 136 picometer. Why the difference is here in the bond angle? Sorry, bond length. But the bond length difference is here. I will tell you, because in the phenol, in the structure of phenol, what is going to happening there during the resonance? During the resonance, what is going to happening over there? There will be the double bond character. There will be the double bond character like this. Okay, there will be the double bond character between carbon and the oxygen of the OH group. Means due to the double bond character, bond length will become shortened. बॉन्ड लेंथ क्या हो जाएगी आपके पास? शॉर्टन हो जाएगी. व्हाट विल हैपन देयर? बॉन्ड लेंथ विल बिकम शॉर्टेड. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. तो मीन्स वंस अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू कि वाई द बॉन्ड लेंथ डिफरेंस इज देयर इन द अल्कोहल्स. इन द अल्कोहल्स कार्बन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड लेंथ इज 142 picometer. In the phenol, carbon oxygen bond length is 136 picometer. Why it is so? Because in the phenol there is double bond character, or you can say partial double bond character during the resonance in the phenol. Okay, due to that bond length is decreases. Is that clear to you to all? Okay, then after that student, now we are having a ethers. What we are having a ethers. Now you see all of you, but a bond length is between C and O is almost same. That is 141 picometer. ये almost same है with the alcohol. Second thing, only difference is there of bond angle. Bond angle is 1.7 degree. Highest bond angle. What is here? Highest bond angle is here. Do you know why the highest bond angle is present over there? Yes. Highest bond angle is there because along with the ether, along with this oxygen, there are two bulkier group, this CH3 and this CH3. Once again I am telling you, two bulkier. But a bulkier means heavier group, CH3 ये वाला and this CH3. And due to that there will be a large repulsion. Due to that there will be the large, and just remember, this repulsion is not due to the lone pair. Whenever repulsion is due to the lone pair, as I told you in the first case, their bond angle is decreases. But here repulsion is due to the bulkier group. That is why in the ether bond angle is highest. I understood my point, all of you? So once again I will repeat you. Bond angle in alcohol is slightly less than that of the tetrahedral angle. Why it is so? Because around the oxygen lone pairs are there, and there will be the lone pair repulsion. Bond angle decreases. In the phenol, bond angle is almost equal to the tetrahedral angle. Okay, then we have compared their bond length. Bond length in the alcohol is 142, here 136. Why bond length is decreases in the phenol? Because of the partial double bond character. And bond length is here is remaining almost same to the alcohol. Second thing is there about the bond angle. Okay, phenol bond angle is almost equal to tetrahedral, but ether is having a highest bond angle. Why highest bond angle? Because along with the two carbons, this is CH3 bulkier group, this is CH3 bulkier group. These two bulkier group is here, and due to that there will be the repulsion. And due to the large repulsion, bond angle will increase. And just remember, this is not a repulsion of lone pair, this is a repulsion of bulkier group. That is why bond angle is increases. But whenever there is a repulsion of lone pair, then only bond angle is decreases. Are you getting my point? Okay, student. Now just remember, one thing more you can remember, just that whenever we are talking about the alcohol and the phenol, let's discuss about their polarity also. What we can discuss? We can discuss their polarity also. Suppose this is a ROH, Okay, and this is phenol C6H5OH. So students, I will tell you alcohols are means are positive or negative. Here is positive, here is negative, but alcohols are more polar. Which one is more polar? Alcohols are more polar as compared to phenol. Ethers are least. Ethers are least. Just remember, alcohols are more polar. Okay, why it is more polar? Can you tell me why the alcohol is more polar? Yes, but in the case of alcohol molecule, R size of the R alkyl group is smaller as compared to the size of the phenyl group. Size of the alkyl group is smaller. Here size of the phenyl group is larger. Okay, so that is why polarity of this one. And one thing more I will tell you, beta. Here it is sp3 hybridization. Here it is sp2 hybridization. We have done in case of halourine also. Usually sp3 hybridized carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon कि एस के अल्ट्रा कितना हुआ इसमें 25%, हेयर 33%. तो यहाँ पर जो कार्बन है, दिस कार्बन विल बी लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, हेयर दिस कार्बन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. So here release of pair is very easy. In this case, release of the pair of electron is very easy. But here release of electron pair is difficult. So that is why alcohol is more polar as compared to the phenol. Because this same case we have discussed in the haloalkane and halourine, where we have done why the halourine is less reactive than that of the haloalkane. Is that clear? Okay, thank you very much to all of you.